Okay, we're gonna go for a little walk. We are at the extreme right of the pier. Nice little beach section here that was fairly easy to get to. And we're gonna walk further. We're gonna go as far as we can over here. Let's go around the corner and see where it leads. Okay, we're a little bit further down the beach. I see a bunch of rocks and waves up here. It'll be interesting to see if we can get around that or not. I see people pass there, so they must have figured out some sort of a way to get past. We'll go from there. I'll let you know how that turns out. All right, so here we are at all the rocks. There's more than just rocks here. There's a little bit of garbage. There's a bunch of shells up there that have washed ashore. I don't know how treacherous this is to walk through here, but I think we can make it if we time it just right. Keep out of the waves. Stand on the rocks whenever possible. Comes the big one. That was a big wave. Actually, I think it was two. We'll wait for it to subside and then we'll move on. Yeehaw! This might not have been my best idea. I'm gonna get to higher ground. I'll see you in a minute. Yes, the high ground was the better idea. Definitely. So there's lots of conch shells here, but there's also some geckos. Hello, Mr. Gecko. I thought we left you in Ocala. I guess not. Timbers, rocks, trees, and even a bunch of other stuff over here. Wow. So I made it around the bend, all on top of the rocks, on the high side of the rocks. Rocks are a little bit on the dangerous side, so you probably don't want to do that. But if you can get this far, you wind up coming to the end of this little island. And of course the island isn't all that little. But here you are. We're gonna come over here and enjoy the view and the massive waves that are probably over here. We saw these waves as we were approaching on the ship. So I really wanted to come over here and see it. Wow. Somebody put a hammock over there. I don't know how legit it is, but there it is. You can tell this is the rougher side of the island with all the stuff that is washed ashore. Pieces of trees and branches and shrubs. I see a flip-flop over there. Who knows what else has been lost in the water along the way. More shells. Let's get down towards the water and see how that is. Boy, this is about as remote as you can get right here. Look at this. Oh, the water's actually a little bit chillier over here than it was when I went in earlier. But check it out. If you were lost on a desert island out in the middle of the Bahamas, this is what it would look like. Right up until the time you see the two cruise ships that are in. The Carnival Freedom and the Carnival Celebration. Home sweet home. All we have to do is get back there. Very nice. I'll leave you with some of the waves.